I got this from Amazon. It's for the Mavic Mini. It's a propeller holder. So when you're putting away the Mavic Mini, you know, in your bag or whatever, these propellers really get in the way. So I'm looking, you know, they're so delicate and I don't want to break any of them. I have to change them all the time. So I'm just looking for something that'll cover them and keep them in place while I'm transporting them and while I'm actually taking out the propellers. So something like that. So I found this on Amazon, or actually no, not Amazon, B&H. So wasn't much, didn't cost much. I believe it was B&H. You know what, I'm not sure. Look below. I completely forgot. It's just a standard propeller holder. And I just want to be able and it fits perfect. Look at that. Hugs. So it has like a notch right there. I think that faces forward to hug the body. And let me see, can I get it in? It's supposed to be for the Mavic Mini. I don't want to. Ah, perfect. Look at that. Nicely. Wow, very nice fit. So now it's easier to take out and put back. This one has 2 notches. I don't know if this is, you know, I have no idea which is top and which is bottom. And I'm going to say because this is even, or a little bit even, I don't know if this is the right one. So, okay, this one's, one with a long end and a notch. The other one has 2 notches. I think that's going to be for the top because that one was a little bit tough to put out. Yep, perfect. Fits in it perfectly, but it's not snug. I guess it doesn't have to be. Let me see. And then this one's with the 1 notch. Is that for here? Let me try it the other way. Yeah, this is not, I think. Yeah, this one's not fitting correctly. Let me try it. So let's try the one with the 2 notches at the bottom. 2 notches at the bottom. I think this is the one that's going to be the correct one for that. Yep. Okay, the 2 notch ones go at the bottom. That's where it goes. So you can see it's hugging it here and it's hugging it here. Real nice. And then the one with a single notch goes on the top. Single notch, okay? On the top, and it faces, the long part faces back and the short part faces forward, and it's easier to put out. Yep, let me get that one in. Perfect, beautiful. Yep, there it is. Now it's nice and snug. It's not going to come out. I like it. I like it a lot. That way it keeps the propellers away. I can shove this in my pocket. When I put it away, the propellers don't, they get caught up. I have this cushion that I slide the drone in, and if the propellers are out, it kind of like bends them a little bit, so this will keep it straight. I like it a lot. Alright, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Details of item. Cathy Clara 2 PCS propeller fixators props blade stabilizers fixed holder protector transport protection compatible for DJI Mavic Mini Drone accessories. Cost, $6.99. Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/gp/product/b0833j664x6/ref=ppx yodt basintit leo 00s00 ie UTF-8 ampersand PSC =1 specially designed for DJI Mavic Mini Drone. Protect your drone's props while transporting. Soft silicone material, won't scratch drone surface or even the slender propellers. Protect the battery button from accidental touch. Protect the downward vision sensing system from scratch or bump. Easy installation. The elastic silicone fixing method can be opened for quick installation and removal. Lightweight and easy to carry, will not increase the Mavic Mini case weight. Our average arrival time is 12 to 25 days. If you have any concerns, please contact us, we will try our best to help you. Product description. Color black feature. Designed to fix and protect the propellers in transportation and storage to protect the propeller from damage when transportation. To fix propellers and motors, to avoid tampering, do not need to remove the propellers, can be put into the bag, very convenient and quick. Designed for quickly installing and dismantling. It uses silicone material and accurate mold forming. Specification. Item name, for Mavic Mini Propeller Stabilizer suitable models, for Mavic Mini size 86x25x15mm. Package include, 2x propeller paddle blade holder, drone not included. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, we are here to help. XD product information. Color black ASIN B083J664X6. Manufacturer recommended age 5 years and up. MFG recommended age 5 year and up. Manufacturer Cathy, Clara.